And the winners are... Alright. Hey guys, I'm here with the lovely Taylor that won't be in the camera right now.
Excuse me. Thanks, LOL.
Thanks. No one cares about you.
Real Super Puppy Gamer.
Super real, super puppy gamer. Wow! Say that 5 times fast.
Super gamer, super real, super real.
Okay, I don't have any hair on right now. Nobody cares. So
I am old.
today we're doing Fashion Frenzy, and Taylor will be doing it, and I will just... You will be playing, and I will be helping you.
Okay,
Come
yay!
and sit in the gaming chair.
Oh my
And
god,
if you
I'm
want
scared.
to, we get to bedazzle the chair if you want.
Ooh, okay.
We can bedazzle the chair.
Okay, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, yay. Okay, there's a... Ooh.
Starting new game.
What?
Welcome to randomizing clothes. I forgot about that part.
Welcome to... Okay, I don't know.
Fashion Frenzy. The
How do I get out of
category
this
is
chair?
best tourist look. Oh my gosh, I love that one.
How do I get out of the chair?
Jump.
Oh, okay.
You have 3 minutes to
Okay,
create your
if I
best
can
outfit.
get off of the chair.
You move that. Alright.
Wow!
Objective is trying to get...
Okay, let's see.
These are the girls' clothes. You don't have to do it. You can... Okay. Over there. Oh, this is
What's
the
this?
faces, sunglasses, and...
Hi, what's my face look like? Oh, it's fine.
You can just do makeup.
Is that like weird?
Do makeup.
Whoa, drag queen makeup, guys.
You have to tap it.
I'm not gonna choose it.
Okay, I suggest you go to clothes first, because that's what they're judging you on.
Oh, really? Ooh, those pants are cute.
Best tourist look, though. So, for like beaches or...
Oh, okay. Then that one.
Then you move your mouse over there and click it.
Where's my mouse?
Yep, right there. And click. And now you go pick some pants.
Okay, let's go. Just some pants. Ew, that looks like a stripper outfit. God, people, why do you wear this?
Nobody knows. Oh, there were like this really cute brown pants over there that looked like adorable. Over there.
Let's see.
But you gotta pick purple pants. You have to go in with pants.
And these are... No! This is fun. Oh,
Okay.
now that said Coca-Cola. Oh, I want the word that, I think. I
Yeah.
don't know, though. I just want to keep looking at my store.
Well, then you have to have face and hair. So you don't have that much time. Oh my gosh, you're gonna go in without pants.
No.
You have 80 seconds left
What?
to get hair and face. 3 minutes. You get 3 minutes to do this.
Okay, let's choose this. Okay.
And now you're off to hair.
I'm a minute! No! You're stuck in a wall! Okay.
Alright, over here's hair. And on the other side's cuter hair. Other side. See? Over that. Over there. That's where all the cutest hair are. And now go over there to dye it. On the white chairs. White chairs.
Let's see. Let's choose, like, actually, I want to do, like, a red. Okay, that's good.
And then jump. And then you gotta go pick a face in a couple of minutes. Face. Everybody loves makeup, so. Just pick whatever face you need.
Let's see, one that goes with my outfit. Let's say,
Click it if you want.
4 seconds. Got it.
Okay, now if you want headphones or sunglasses for tourists.
Woo!
Oh, okay.
New York.
I've been in the corner of the entire
USA.
Yep.
This is
They like go on fashion tours and stuff. Don't like you can look at the outfits, but I suggest you don't vote on them because otherwise that could mean between second or third or second or first sometimes.
Okay.
And if you're not first or second or you think your outfit's
Rate
terrible,
this outfit. She has the same outfit as me. Little bitch, why you be stealing?
Oh my gosh.
Don't you dare. Do not.
No,
Just go away. Just go.
Nobody can control her mouth.
No. Sorry about this. Oh.
Oh God, no.
No. I rate you a 0.
0 out of 0
Okay, let's see.
for him. The most, if it's really good.
Oh, I rate you a 0, girlie. I'm sorry.
The most for
She's
me,
probably like a 2.
if she's really good, for the most for me, like 1 star. The most for me, I will give out 1 star.
Oh, cool kid. 3, 6, or 3,
It's gonna be
8,
a terrible outfit. I know it. I just know it.
Oh
God,
my God! I rate you Santa Claus as a 0.
I told you it's gonna be like the worst outfit.
This one's gonna be like the best. I think.
Yours?
No, it's not. It's not the best.
It's not yours.
No, because it's not mine. Oh, girl, I rate your outfit a 3. You look cute.
The difference between life and death.
Huh? I bet. No, when's me? When is me?
For sometimes I have to.
Oh, okay. She has the best tourist outfit. I'm sorry. That looks like a beach tourist person.
Her hat looks like a British Tea Party. And that's actually a category.
Seriously? A birthday?
Oh God. Girl.
I rate you a 0 because you just
Girly, you have nothing that works.
Oh my God! I just shivered.
I usually you want to switch off.
It's me! It's the best.
It took 7 minutes for one
Look
round.
it.
It took 7 minutes for 1 round.
I look cute. I better get like a 6. 0.000.
Well, actually, all the stores are stars.
I
are
rate
added
you
up.
a 5 because, you're stupid. Oh, that shirt kind of cute though. That's cute.
I was thinking that I should turn my desk around and then have my background as the pictures I did,
Yeah.
but I don't really know if I should.
Oh, I went to a 0. I'm sorry, girly. Just,
Boy, what did you do with yourself?
Hey.
What did you do with yourself?
Nothing. I just stuck myself in a trash can. Results are in, and the winner is Crystal Cage. Oh, I'm not even on there. Are you kidding me?
How?
How? She looked horrible.
She could. The girl deserves to. We're 4.
We're both. Boom.
Boom.
Okay, let's choose a badass outfit.
You know what? This is not a. This one. This channel is not going to be adult. No, this channel
How
is
do I
not
get
going
out
to be
of
kid
here?
friendly. This is the lobby. You have to stay in here for 18 seconds. No, 15, 14 seconds, 13 seconds.
Ooh, let's just walk around then.
And then maybe I should do a round later.
No, girl, I don't want to sit in no chair.
I should do a round later, maybe.
Okay, I can get out. Thank you. Just thank you.
I have a hot glue gun, so we could bedazzle this chair
Really?
if I had.
Welcome to
brainstorming.
Fashion Famous. No, I better not climb on that table. No, girl, no. No, out of this country.
You should just have your own show.
3 minutes to create the outfit. Okay, girl, I got this. Wait, how do I get there?
This
Get
isn't
ready.
charging? This isn't even charging.
Yes, it is.
It is?
Yeah. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go!
Okay,
Go!
Go to outfits first. Go to outfits
Okay,
first.
got it. Where am I?
You're by the hair. So
Hold on.
turn around. There. Over there. Outfits.
I know, I have to get this hair quick.
Outfits should take.
Okay, I'll dye it next.
after this.
Okay, out of this country.
Okay, so
Let's say this. No, because they're in Minnesota.
out of this country, like, you could do theme Britain, because Britain would be like a British tea party. Trust me, I know British tea parties. Or you could do like you could do the elf for Santa Claus out of this country.
Out of this country, under the sea. Let's go, girl. Let's go. What color should I dye her hair? I'm gonna dye it red, cause so she looks like Baby Ariel, or not Baby Ariel. What's her name?
Ariel.
Yeah, Ariel. There we go.
Baby Ariel. What's her name? Oh, it's just Ariel, not Baby Ariel.
Okay. Sit in this chair. There you go, girl. Okay, let's see. Red.
Or you could do lighter red.
Okay, you look like Baby Ariel. Okay, let's go get you some makeup.
And then maybe you could do like some then you go to hats later.
Ooh, this is cute. I want to do it like an anime look, maybe.
Want me to help you? You need to get the face.
Let's see. Let's get this.
Oh,
Okay, let's see how I look. What? I still look the same. Huh?
You have to go closer.
Let's see.
Now I'll press it.
Whee! That one? Yeah, that one. Actually, I'm thinking about doing this one.
Well, that just looks like Freaky Ariel. That one's good. Yeah.
She looks like a freaking rebel.
Yeah!
I'm gonna go burn some buildings.
Well, she is a pretty much rebel. Maybe.
Ooh, I'm gonna do this one. So she looks good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, now go to the, like, okay, go to the hair stuff, like, over, not hair stuff, over there, that one, over there. Over there. Like, maybe there's an under the sea. Or not. What really speaks under the sea? I mean,
Do you want to do some wings?
yeah. Flying
Okay.
Ariel.
Yeah, let's do some wings. Black wings?
Do red wings. Closer.
There we go.
Okay, now type a caption.
Where? Oh, time's up.
No,
Okay.
you can still type it. Now type it. Queen of the air, the sea. Out in the country, it says. Out, so we might have totally...
Okay, Queen, I run this world. Okay, what do I do next? Just push ender?
No, not when
yet.
you get there, and then
Oh,
you
okay.
can do actions. Okay, what the heck?
Okay, you just look like a freaking cowgirl. Maybe that's
Out of the
not.
country, maybe that was what we were supposed to do.
I'm just like a Little Mermaid, you know? A Little
We
Mermaid.
have a couple minutes, and then we have to end the video.
Ew, you look ugly, girl. Why'd you choose that outfit? You look like a parrot.
No, girl.
No! That braid's cute. But no!
You don't even have color in your hair.
No, you don't. You just look like grandma. With white ass hair. So. I'm gonna push it away there. Ew! Oh, she actually looks okay. Yeah, she looks okay.
Do you have any, like, rhinestones at your house?
I better win
No,
first. 'cause look how pretty-
wait.
I did before.
Alright, good.
I just wave going back like.
I really hope you win. Okay, guys, after this, we're going to end the video.
Yeah. Ooh!
If we
okay,
win.
she looks really pretty. I look prettier, bitch. Sorry.
I don't think they got that.
Okay. Yeah, they did. I seen. Ooh.
We're dead. I think if YouTube's gonna, like, block, like, take
Okay,
off
she's
their-
gonna win. I know that.